Okay, so here we are, GeoGebra. We're going to sign in. You probably already signed in. I'm going to sign in with my Google account always. Okay. And then just have patience. And then once you're here, you're going to go to the new and GeoGebra Math apps. We're going to choose Graphing Calculator. Okay. Okay, so we're going to choose Graphing Calculator. And then we don't need the calculator at the bottom. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is you can move this down a little if you want to. Okay, you don't have to. And then we're going to go to the circle menu and we're going to create a semicircle through 2 points. So it's going to be a semicircle through 2 points. Okay, so I'm going to choose a semicircle and make the semicircle kind of big. Okay, so we have a semicircle with 2 points. And now we're going to create a line segment. Create a line segment from A to B. Okay, from here, we're going to choose point on object. Point on object. Select point on object, and you're going to put it somewhere on the semicircle. So now you should have a point on the semicircle that you can move. Okay, so you should be able to move this point. Once you have the point on object, you're going to choose the polygon menu. Choose the polygon menu, and you're going to create a right triangle. A, C, B, and then back to A. Okay. Okay. Now we have 3 steps. The first step is to create a perpendicular line because we're going to create the square on side A. So we're going to choose the line menu, perpendicular line, select it. You're going to select point B, and then you're going to select line A. And you should have a perpendicular line. Okay. Now, you're going to go to the circle menu again. Circle menu again. And you're going to choose compass. Once you select compass, you're going to select point C, point B, and then you should have a circle with radius CB. And you're going to put that on B. Then you're going to use the intersect tool. Use the intersect tool to intersect the circle that you just constructed with the perpendicular line that passes through point B. And now you should have point D. Now we're going to go back to the compass tool. Choose the compass tool. Select C. Select B. And now you should have a circle with radius C, line segment CD. You're going to put the center of the circle on point D. You're going to keep the compass tool. Select point C again, point B again, and you're going to put the circle with center at point C. Now, we're going to use the intersect tool. Intersect tool. And you're going to intersect where these two circles intersect. You're going to place an intersection point at point and call it point E. And now we're going to construct our first square. So use the polygon tool to construct your first square. I'm also going to change the color of that square so that we can distinguish it from other squares. I'll make it a little darker. 30. So that this won't be so cluttered, we're going to go to the algebra menu. Let's go to the algebra menu. And where it says circle, anywhere it says circle, we're going to turn those circles off. And we're also going to turn the all the three circles off and the intersect. Not the intersection, but the perpendicular line. Okay, now we're going to create the circle on the long side. Okay, circle on the long side. So once again, we're going to do the same exact thing. We're going to create a perpendicular line that passes through the point C and is perpendicular to line B. Then we are going to move down a little and use our compass tool. We're going to select point C, select point A. You should have a center with radius CA, and you're going to put the center at point C. Use your intersect tool to intersect the circle and line that passes through the point C. So now we're going to create two circles using the compass tool. So we're going to use the compass tool, select point C, select point A, and put the center of the new circle at point A. Select point C, select point A.